So it's pretty self-explanatory. So the Box Toolkit, it does come with a bracket that I already removed. This will go on your subframe of your bike. What's all inside this toolkit is tools that would normally come with the toolkit of the bike that you buy. All right, so if you go to their website, they have some great instructional videos. For whatever reason, they want you to remove all the plastic. Well, I don't know if I'm lazy or just not wanting to do that, but I did loosen the plastic. I didn't remove all the plastic and fender that the instructional video wanted me to do. So for removing this, you will need a 10 millimeter, an 8 millimeter, and then you'll also need a torque bit. This is a T45 torque bit to remove this bolt here. And now let's go ahead and insert this. It should fit right here on the frame. Let's see how it goes. All right, so the toolbox is just gonna fit in this crevice above my air filter. So let's go ahead and install it. So this toolkit fits right inside like so. And again, this replaces the OEM toolkit that comes with your bike, and it gets it up and out of the way. And again, that leaves my crap pipe for anything else I want to put in there. Kind of hard to see, but here's a hinge. Here is the release. So to access your tools, all you do is open up that little door. And there you go. There's your tools, all right there. So that's pretty awesome. Now, in no way does this take place of the crap pipe. All I'm going to do is take my stock tools out of here that came with the bike and just put more crap in my crap pipe. So, cool little product. Hit them up on Box Toolkit, and I'll let you know how this product holds up.